7 a.m. we start, and within the hour we're able to give them milk, take out the dogs, give them fresh water, minerals, baking soda, all that for gut health. And then they're good to go until about 1 p.m. So, the hay, grain, all of that will sustain them until their next feeding because they are weaning. So, as you can see, the boys and girls are separate for now because the girls technically can start breeding. So, they'll just alternate between their fenced enclosure and just the ordinary barn. Hi. What's wrong? What? Hi, babies. Oh, our máscaras. Oh, well. It's like we have you who's very already technical, well-versed, and then I'm always looking for a lazy way to do to maintain it.
Okay, so vamos ahora, te voy a poner a ti a guiar el truck y te voy a record. Bueno, ya tienen los canitos. Son los canitos. Okay, so that's move forward, that's reverse.
Oh.
This button is to close it so it gets tight so the bucket won't fall. So press it.
Oh.
Hold it. There.
Okay.
Yeah, that's brake. That's move forward.
Okay.
And then back. You're going back. Let's check the animals. Where are they?
Wow.
You're gonna go through there?
Yeah.
Oh, you have to lift and hold it there. That's it. Oh, sorry, careful with the table.
Yeah, I have to.
Be careful with here. Yeah.
Go Polo. Watching the goats.
Okay.
Stop here. They came back. And what's this guy do? Hello? In the house.
So. Somebody don't want to run. They have hay. They got everything. I'm gonna come it. You're very comfortable, huh, Mama? She's poking me with her hair. It's a sail on the back. She's pushing my back. What are you doing? You jealous? You eating my shirt. No muerda. No muerda, que tú muerdes. No me muerda. ¿Qué fue, mamá?
Reset day on the farm. So right now, during the majority of the week, we are focusing on building and fixing anything we build for the goats just to make their section safe and just hands off. So no matter whether we need to feed them, refill water, transition them from one area to another, it just makes it seamless and not hazardous, because goats do tend to go the more challenging way or the most dangerous. We have Fudge and Luna as our free range goats, as we call them, because they're less adventurous, curious, and destructive overall. So they're just out in the main pasture here. Move the chickens back to their main hub next to the barn workshop here. Been situating the goats. I don't know if you've been following the shorts. They started over there in that corner, and then we moved them over here. As you can see, there's a lot of their compost now. And we had to move back. And then they were in this corner next to the water tank, but due to torrential downpour, they're now over there on the high platform. Right now we have my mother and uncle over there doing the lawn for now, while I tend to all the animals. This is typically how we split up work throughout the day. Are you okay? So the turkeys, guineas, and all of our chicks are in here at the moment. Getting pretty big. I believe we're about a month out or so from them laying eggs. They're a little hot for the moment, so we did fill up their water, which is why you can see them standing in there. It's a little pool that they're all going through right now. Yes. Una doesn't like to be left alone. Luna! You spilled your water? How nice of you to reset it for me. Maymoon. So, unfortunately, big pack of coyotes came in the middle of the night in the one area we don't have security.
Camera, yeah.
And so no alarms went off, and out of over almost 30 chickens, we lost all our chickens. So what we're left with is 2 turkeys and a guinea, thankfully. You know, of course it happens. We're working on a new structure just to mitigate the coyotes jumping over this. Definitely a loss here today.
This is a process.
Yeah.
Anyone there.
So until we have the new structure and lockdown, we'll
More
wait
security.
for the next wave. Here are our lovely survivors. Our strong birdies. Hey. They were a bit skittish the first night or two. We had to have them sleep inside of the garage with us. They just refused to be outside. So now we have that house for now. Even that is still temporary. We want to make sure something's completely lifted off like the goats, and then finish putting the wire on the ground just to make sure nothing else can dig. So if they do happen to get in, they just stay under the platform. Jump in your pool. He's giving me the eyes. Hello. My baby. Cutie. The one water bowl they actually wanted was in the sun, so I just moved everything that was and have it ready for them here. Someone is happy. Hey! They're liking their new area. We have Luna and Fudge are over here. They destroyed their tents. Over here we have Josh and Maymoon. Hey! Take it, take it. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm.